Hey everybody, what's up? Albert here, and today I'm gonna tell you about an website and second thing, a Google Chrome extension named as Screely. So let me tell you in deep, but have this intro.
Cause I can be what you wanna be, and I can feel but you laugh at me.
So basically I have the website named as Screely. The link you will be provided is in the description box, and it's basically turns your screenshot into a beautiful designs. Basically you just see the Mac window. As you can see, here is the Mac window, and in between it will be a screenshot. It's beautiful. Let me show you an overview. Let's browse the file. I have this beautiful image, and boom, see this. It doesn't go in the image, go in the feel of the screenshot. It's look damn beautiful. Look at the edges. It has a shadow of the screenshot, and the background you can just change the background. Don't worry, you can just change the background in this thing, but the blue gives a pop-up of the screenshot. And let me go to the overview, and if in this image the night background or the night means the at the upper side the window should be in the night mode, it will be more awesome. Let me change in the night mode, and you can see the interface. It's matching the photo. Basically here is the moon sign. You can just click and it will be boom. And here is a two toggle option, which is window type. If you need this bar, you can just click here, window type. There is a no window option. In this it's look like a simple screenshot, but it has not that craze that the screenshot has been taken in the desktop or the laptop. The craze comes in plain window, or you can just have a browse window also like this. It will be having a browse tab over here. That's also look classy, but I like the plain window. It's look more pretty. And you can just change the window style also if you want these three color icons, which is minimize, maximize and cut option. So darken also looks pretty good, but the color seems to be more nice. It's like a Mac OS screenshot. Outline also not gives so much of glassiness, but it's also look more pretty than the darkened one. So I like the regular one. So these are the options, and you can change the color. You can have the vertical option also, and the horizontal. There is a couple of things you can just try in this. You can download this or save it as a SVG form, scalable vector graphics, PNG also, and JPEG also. So it's a quite simple thing. You can just make your screenshot a more beautiful thing, and go ahead and download this. It will be downloaded. As you can see, the pop-up of the image has been downloaded. Basically you can go ahead and add a Chrome extension also if you want, but I want to advise you to go and visit the website because it's look more good. It's look good when you visit website and just travel, and there is something more information given, and you can just, if you don't know what are these things, you can just toggle down and just grab the knowledge of that thing. So this was an overview of a Screely. It's a basically Chrome extension and a website. So tell me in the comment section that how do you like this Screely website or the Chrome extension. But don't forget to subscribe, press the bell icon, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.